Right, today we're going to look at the MED Road Camshaft Kit. Apologies for those who already know this, but we'll just run through the basics of what the camshaft actually does and what the components are on the camshaft. This diameter here with the keyway holds the timing gear sprocket. Then you've got the three diameters here where the camshaft locates in the block and it runs within the block. Then you've got the 8 lobes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lobes for opening and closing your valves. Here's the lobe that drives the mechanical fuel pump, which produces the fuel pump pressure for the engine. And here we have distributor drive gear, which drives the distributor, which controls the ignition for the engine. All of our road camshafts are cross drilled. So drilled from here down to the center, a through hole drilled from one end through to the other end, and then you'll notice each lobe has a drilling. So what you've got is oil pressure feeding from the main bearings down into the camshaft, which then oils along and then out through each lobe to lubricate the camshaft and the followers when the followers are running on the camshaft. And finally, you've got the slot in the end of the camshaft. This locates into the oil pump, which feeds the oil to the engine. In the road camshaft range, we have the HT, high torque, the RS, road sport, and the XT, which is extreme. So, daily driver, nice torquey road cam, HT, fast road, sporty cam, RS, and track day. You'll find the basic specs and recommendations on the website. So what we've done here is we've put together both a road camshaft and a race camshaft so that you can see the variation in both lift and duration. The duration is the amount of time that the valve stays open, and you'll see just here from a road profile it's quite narrow just here, whereas a race profile is really broad, so it leaves the follower open, which in turn opens the valve, the rocker, etc. And the lift is greater just here on a race cam as opposed to a road cam. So road cams, less lift, less duration. Race cams, normally more lift and more duration. So that's the basic operation of the cam, showing both lift and duration. There is a great deal more science with camshaft design, but that's the basics. And here's the rest of the components that come in the stage 1 camshaft kit. So here we have the road camshaft followers. These are a chilled iron follower, and it's got a 20 to 40 thou convex radius machined on there. So the radius is there to make the follower turn as the camshaft turns and makes contact with it. So here we have the oil pump. This is 1275 slot drive, high capacity steel back pump. There is an option for the 998 pump. Also comes with the camshaft lock tab and a camshaft timing disc. So that was the stage 1 kit. If you want to go to stage 2, you get these extra components. First thing is the road valve springs. These are a 170 pound valve spring and suitable for all 3 of the road camshafts. Also in the stage 2 kit, you will get the vernier timing gear kit. This is an alloy center with vernier adjustment and a new Ewis Motorsport chain. This will allow you to accurately time the camshaft in as per the specification sheet that comes with the camshaft. Then finally we have the stage 3, which actually comes with the MED roller rockers. You either choose 1.5 1275, 1.3 1275, or the new blue 998 1.3 rockers. Okay, that's it then. Let's just summarise. You've got the stage 1 cam kit. Stage 2 cam kit comes with the vernier and the springs. Stage 3 cam kit comes with the roller rockers. And then don't forget, we also have 2 additional camshafts, one for the turbo, which is a T3 profile, and then one for the MPI, which is a special camshaft, which has another drive on it. But again, if you need any further details or any more information, don't hesitate, give us a call.